The engines always think they are so clever, and so they like to bump the trucks around. They bump them in the sidings, they bump them in the yard. They better beware, they better take care, they better be on their guard.
Thomas, be careful!
Thomas pulls the trucks along the line. He's happy and he thinks it's going fine. The trucks all start to moan, they rattle and they groan. Look out, Thomas, watch out, Thomas, that's a warning sign.
Come along, come along!
Before the Thomas comes to Gordon's Hill. It's hard work and he really has to pull. But soon he's at the top, and then he just stands still. The trucks go faster still. Because those trucks will get the engines every time. Trucks will run the engines off the line. They push them here, push them there until they go too fast. Then they push them once again, laughing while they crash.